Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel PD Tutorial, and today in this video I am going to prove one of the important topic from complex analysis, Cauchy-Hadamard theorem. So let's see the statement first. The statement of Cauchy-Hadamard theorem is, for every power series summation an Zn, there exists a number capital R such that R lies between 0 to infinity with the following properties. That properties is, the series converges absolutely for every z such that mod of z is less than capital R, and the second is, the series diverges if mod of z is greater than R. Okay, so let's start with the proof. So first consider the power series of this form an z to the power n, and let this power series is just summation of un. So we suppose un is equals to what? An z to the power n. Just say, and just let that summation un is convergent. Okay, we are just letting that this sum of series is convergent if by root test we know that limit n tends to infinity mod of un to the power 1 by n should be less than 1 for the convergence. Okay, so if sum of series is convergent, if this will hold. Okay, by root test. Now this imply what? This imply limit n tends to infinity un is what? We let it an z to the power n to the power 1 by n, that should be less than 1. Okay, now limit n tends to infinity modulus of an to the power 1 by n, and this is what? Mod z, because n into 1 by n is mod z only, that should be less than 1. And if you remember, taking how we find the radius of convergence, we know that limit n tends to infinity mod of an to the power 1 by n is equals to 1 by capital R, that is R is the radius of convergence here. In place of limit n tends to infinity modulus of an to the power 1 by n, we should write 1 by R. Okay, now imply that should be written as 1 by R mod z less than 1. Write it properly, mod z upon R less than 1. So mod z less than capital R. So what we have considered that un is convergent if this hold, then mod z is less than R. So if mod z is less than capital R, then we find that our power series is absolutely convergent. Okay, now the second, for the divergence, thus summation an zn is convergent or divergent according as mod z less than R or mod z greater than R. Fine. Now therefore corresponding to every power series summation an zn, there exists a non-negative means 0 is also there, so it should not be negative, but it starts from 0 to infinity. There exists a non-negative real number, that is capital R, such that mod of z is less than R if the series is convergent. And mod z is greater than R if series is divergent. Now if we draw a circle of radius capital R with the center at the origin. Then number 1, the power series summation a and zn is convergent for every z within this circle mod z less than r. So what I have written, let's consider if we draw a circle of that radius capital R. We are taking a circle with radius R. Okay. So the power series A and Z in is convergent for every Z within this circle, because this is the deadline. So this is the radius R. So the point inside this circle, for every Z inside this circle, the power series is convergent. Okay. And number 2, the power series summation A and Zn is divergent for every Z outside the circle, that means mod Z is greater than R in this case. So when we find Z greater than R, so if the value of Z is greater than R, it should belong outside that circle. So in this case power series is divergent for the Z outside the circle. So students, this is the proof of Cauchy-Hadamard theorem. So I hope you like this video. This video is helpful for you. And if you have any query, please comment down below. Give any suggestion for more theorem, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video.